Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get up to $250,000 in a business line of credit with this company called Blue Vine. So if you are a business owner and you're looking to get funded for your business, we're going to go ahead and just jump right into it to see what you need in order for you to get approved. So before you apply for this business line of credit, you have to have your business formation with your Secretary of State, your EIN number, a business bank account, and you also have to have your Dun & Bradstreet number. Before we get started, let's look and see exactly what you have to have before you can apply with this direct company. The minimum qualifications is to have at least a 600 plus FICO score. That's going to be from your personal credit. You have to have a FICO score of 600 or better. 6 months in business, $10,000 in monthly revenue. What you need to apply your business, basic details about you and your business, and a bank connection or year-to-date bank statements. So in order for you to get approved or considered for this actual company called Blue Vine, you have to make sure that your personal credit score is at least a 600 plus with your FICO scoring, not your Vantage scoring, but your FICO scoring. And with them pulling your personal credit, just keep in mind that if you do get approved for this loan, it will not affect your personal credit. They have to just check anytime you consider getting an actual business line of credit or business term loans for a newer business that doesn't have a lot of credit history reporting, they will ask you to do a pull on your personal credit to guarantee the loan of your company. So keep in mind, just because they ask you for your actual credit scores does not mean that it's going to go onto your personal credit. They're just going to look at your personal credit to determine if you can qualify for this loan. With your business basics, you're going to need to have your formation that's formed with your state. You're going to need your EIN number, and you also need to have your business bank account as they stated on here so that they're able to see your bank statements from the last year. So once you have all of those documents and you're ready to apply with this company, here is applying will not affect your credit score. So when you get ready to apply for your business line of credit, it won't affect your credit score until you've been approved for the loan. So you'll get the flexibility of a revolving line of credit, draw as you need, and pay only for what you use. So with the business line of credit, basically that's them giving you a certain credit limit that you can use anytime you need those funds. So the difference between a business line of credit and a credit card is with a credit card, you're not able to take cash from that actual credit card. But with a business line of credit, you're able to pull money from it anytime you get ready. Once you have maxed that amount out, after you pay that balance down, it'll then become available to you to continue to withdraw anytime you need to withdraw. So with the business line of credit, it's better for someone to get a business line of credit if you know you need cash capital for your business. If you're someone who does not need cash, you can consider doing credit cards. But if you're looking to get into investments and doing things where you're going to need that business capital cash from it, consider doing the business line of credit. So with Blue Vine, you can get credit lines up to $250,000, rates as low as 4.8%, approvals as fast as 5 minutes. So you can do this application online and get approved within 5 minutes. Fast working capital made simple. Funds available on demand. Enjoy peace of mind by having money available for any business expense. Draw funds with a click of a button. Access to a revolving line. Draw as little or as much as you want from your available credit. Your credit line replenishes as you make repayments. Only pay for what you use. No fees to open or maintain your line. No prepayment fees, monthly maintenance fees, or account closure fees. Financing that grows with you. We support your business growth by getting you the right credit line for your business size at any stage. So no matter what, with Bluevine, they will help you to grow your business and give you the capital that you need as long as your business can get approved. How Bluevine line of credit works: apply online, provide us basic information about your business, and get approved as fast as 5 minutes. You get to draw the funds, use your online dashboard to request funds, and get cash in your bank account within hours. So once you draw the funds online from your actual account, you will get the money from your business credit line directly to your bank account. So that is something good to know, that anytime you need to draw those funds, as long as you have not maxed out your credit limit, you can withdraw those funds anytime needed. 3, make repayments. Pay back each draw with fixed monthly or weekly payments over 6 or 12 months. So if you take out a portion of the money in January and then access more funds, as you pay off your balance, your available credit is automatically replenished. So what that is saying is, once you have paid your balance down on your credit limit, it will automatically give you that money back to continue to withdraw from. So if you have $1,000 available to you, once you have maxed that $1,000 out and you pay that $1,000, you will get that money back. So if you only use 500 and you still have 500 left, even when you pay that other 500, you will still have 1,000 left. Or if you choose to take 500 at once and then take another 500 out, you can do so. As long as the money has not been maxed out, you can continue to withdraw. But once you have maxed it out, you will have to make sure that you have paid that balance down before you're able to access more funds. And with saying that, just remember that this is not a credit card, but it is similar to a credit card, because you can use this money any time of the year, as many times as you want, as long as the funds are available. So once you've decided that you do want to apply for this business line of credit, you will hit the apply and it'll bring you to this screen. Which financing type? You get to choose if you want the line of credit, which is up to $250,000, or the invoice factoring, which is up to $5 million. We'll get into the invoice factoring on a different video. So today we're just discussing the line of credit. How much funding do you need? You get to choose up to the $250,000. You'll use your first and last name, preferred phone number, email address, and you'll create a password. Once you do all of this, it'll then take you to the screen for you to put in information about your business and so forth. So we're going to go on to the frequent asked questions. And here it states, how does a Bluevine line of credit work? To use your Bluevine line of credit, here's how it works. Once approved for a credit line, request funds directly from your dashboard. Funds are then deposited in your bank account in as fast as hours. Payments are automatically debited from your account each week or month over 6 or 12 months. As you pay off your balance, your available credit line is automatically replenished. Plus, because your repayments are calculated with simple interest, you can save on interest when you pay early. Bluevine doesn't charge prepayment or early repayment fees. What businesses are eligible for a line of credit? To meet the minimum requirements for our line of credit, your business must have been in operation for at least 6 months, be a corporation or LLC, have a personal credit score of 600 plus or more, and your business must generate at least $10,000 each month in revenue. Due to regulations, we also cannot provide lines of credit to the following states: Nevada, North Dakota, South Dakota, Vermont. If you don't meet our line of credit requirements, you may be eligible for invoice factoring, which allows you to get a cash advance based on your outstanding invoices. So again, we're not going to go over the invoice factoring, but I will update you guys on another video about the invoice factoring and how that works for your business. How does repayment work? Weekly repayments are automatically debited from your bank account. As long as you have sufficient money in your bank account, you never have to worry about missing a payment. So that's going to bring us to the end of this actual application for Bluevine. If you are interested in getting a loan with Bluevine and you meet all of those qualifications, I will have the direct link to this application in the description so you're able to go ahead and get started with that application. If you are someone who has not registered your business and you don't know how to get started with registering your business, make sure you watch the playlist that's going to play after this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and join our community, because on this channel, all we talk about is all things finances so that you're able to have a healthier, wealthier life. Now, I'll talk to you guys on the next video.